The greatest lesson humanity has to learn is that we are a limitless potential. We can transform ourselves into anything that we want to be. We can evolve ourselves into anything that we choose to be. But it is only in the struggle, hard work, facing challenges, we discover our willpower, our potency, which generates enormous power to innovate anything in life. Struggle is the only way to liberate the enormous potentials that are hidden in us. The very fact that the one who failed the most alone created success the most reveals this. People need to be challenged by life with utmost difficulties to make them realize their potentials. Thomas Edison getting kicked out of school only after 3 months to become the greatest inventor. Arunima Sinha going through a gruesome experience of 49 trains moving over her legs to be on the top of the world. Beethoven becoming deaf to compose the greatest music. Milton being blind to write Paradise Lost, the greatest poetry on nature. Life challenges everyone with different setbacks, devastating moments. But the essence of the game is not to bring depression and disappointment, but to reveal our true potentials and our purpose of life. Let's experience one such woman who had to experience the death of her daughter to bring out the necessary courage and confidence to become a mother of over 800 orphan, destitute girl children. She is Dr. Sarojini Agarwal, a literary personality who has published many poetries, novels, short stories along with her autobiography Baat Swayam Bolegi, completing a PhD in Hindi literature. A mother of 4 children, 3 sons and a daughter, Manisha. In a road accident in 1978, while driving a scooter along with her daughter, she experienced the death of her daughter, which made her undergo the deepest pain. It took us 7 years to become normal and decide to become the mother of many children who needed her love and care. To keep her daughter's memories everlasting, she started a foundation, Manisha Mandir, with a cradle in front of her house, indicating that a mother is here for all the abandoned and destitute children. The very first kid to be adopted was a deaf and dumb girl who lost her divorced mother during her birth. The second was of 2 sisters whose mother has also died in an accident. In her nearly 40 years journey, she became the mother of over 800 children, nourishing and caring them with love. She sends them to good schools as she realized that good education alone can liberate girls from the hardships of society. The kids are blessed with a library, computer lab, recreation halls, dormitories, craft workshops, gardens, badminton and basketball courts, occasional training programs, along with the love of the great mother. Her effort has created many professionals in the society today. A receiver of many awards who initiated to provide scholarships to girl children to empower them through Groom Girl Child, Educate and Empower Girl Child programs. She said, "I think it was God's plan. He wanted me to mother so many needy girls. I thank Him for choosing me for this mission." Life has your share of greatness when you accept it and move on as it comes. Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venus Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.